Forget what you know about trusting your network. It's time for zero trust. Zero trust security is a game changer. Unlike traditional models that trust what's inside the network, zero trust assumes nothing and verifies everything. In today's world of remote work and cloud computing, this approach is crucial. By continuously authenticating users and devices, zero trust minimizes risks and fortifies your security posture. Imagine replacing outdated VPNs with smarter zero trust network access, or ZTNA. This shift is catching on fast, with 60% of businesses making the move. Driven by AI and machine learning, this model spots threats before they strike. And it's not just hype. The zero trust market is booming, projected to hit $51.6 billion by 2028. So why stick with old methods? Embrace zero trust for a secure, resilient digital future. It's not just a trend, it's a necessity.